Hello, hi folks, Dr. McKinnon here. So last time we used the tool, wait, what is it called? Derive stream as line. I keep on forgetting the names of things. Okay, so we use this derive stream as line tool to create these different streams along the this little watershed, and then we edited to split the line into smaller sections that we can use to derive our stream elevation. So if you go here and select, you can see this one little stream I've got a section of, right? This is the stream. Now, maybe I need more upflow stream because it looks like maybe the stream keeps going a little bit, but we're just going to do a test run with this section, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I am going to run this 3D tool called interpolate, interpolate shape, I believe. Hold on, we'll go to the analysis tab and go to tools, and I'm just going to search interpolate shape. Okay, so it says 3D Analyst tool creates a 3D feature by interpolating Z values from a surface. So we're going to take our raster data, and what this is going to do is take this little section of this line and apply the Z values, the elevation values to this line, so that it has known elevation values on the line. Okay, so click on this interpolate shape. So the input surface is this extract 1, that's this section. Then the input features is this weird derive extract 1. Sorry, I apologize about these names, but and then we're going to call, so input has one selection, records to be processed 1. So that's because I only am looking to do this on this line currently, right? So I don't need to do it for the whole thing, although, you know, you could. And then I'm going to leave the rest of the settings the same. I'm going to call this stream 1 elevation. Elevation. I can't spell. Okay, so I'm going to leave all the other settings the way they are and click run. Okay, so I did this earlier, and here is what you get. I'm going to copy it over to my new map here to show you. So here's what it looks like. It looks just the same as this other section. But the difference is that over here, when you go to create chart, you cannot create a profile graph right now on that data set. So you can't create profiles from a totally 2D line that doesn't have any elevation values on it. This one, on the other hand, when you right click on it and go to create chart and go down to the bottom, you can create a profile graph. And this is going to try to automatically load the profile here. And here you go. I got 2 of them now because I already created one earlier. So you can see little spots where there's a little elevation change and then long runs in between. And then here is where there's sort of a waterfall in this little stream. Okay, so this is creating elevation graphs in ArcGIS Pro. Also, you can, once you have these charts in ArcGIS Pro, you could choose to export it as a graphic to use in some other program, to save as some other program. If you wanted to use that in some report or something, or in some other document, right? Or we could go to Insert, New Layout, create a layout. Okay, I'm going to put my layout up here by clicking and dragging. So I'm going to put my map frame. Here's the map that I made, which has that little stream highlighted in it. And then you can click on the chart frame view and click and drag your stream profile, and it should, oh, here it appears. It just takes my poor computer with its lack of memory a few minutes to draw. But so now we have this stream highlighted here, and this is the elevation changes along that section upstream. So I hope this video and the previous ones were helpful to you, and yeah, let me know how it goes with creating those stream profiles. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.